Hi everyone, my name is Katrina and welcome to Katie's Beauty Lab channel. Many of you been sending me some messages asking me if I can do a tutorial about how to do gel polish at home, which I'm gonna do today. To do gel polish at home, we are going to need one buffer, file, then we're gonna need a cuticle pusher or orange stick if you have. Then we are going to need nail prep primer. It's acid free, it's very important to be acid free. Then base coat, some color that you're gonna use, and top coat. So how we're gonna start? First, we have to remove anything you have in your nail polish. So I'm gonna do on this one. I already clean it from the old gel. If you have nail polish, just remove it. Then we're gonna file it to make a shape with the file. So I'm gonna do it like this, just to make a nice shape. Then I'm gonna use a cuticle pusher. So never cut your cuticles if you don't know how to do it. So that's properly to do it in a salon. But in this case you can just push it back and clean all the excess around. That's very important to clean all the skin, so your gel polish is gonna stick and stay longer on your nail. Then with the smooth part of the file, we are just gonna remove oily part of your nail, so don't file it too much. And with buffer, we are going to make it smoother. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Then to remove the rest of the dust, I'm gonna use normal alcohol to clean, and also it's important to dehydrate your nail. Okay, so now nail is prepared to apply a gel polish. Now I'm going to use a primer that is acid-free primer, and I'm going to apply on my nail, avoiding a cuticle area. So it's important that it doesn't go inside the cuticle. You don't want that. Then I'm going to apply the first layer, base coat. Also, I'm going to apply in a tiny layer all around my nail, avoiding the cuticle area. And then dry in a UV or LED lamp for 1 minute. Okay, so I finished drying my nail in lamp. As you can see, it's like sticky. So depending on the brand, some of the base coats are really sticky and the color doesn't stick well. So you can just with the paper remove this sticky layer so the color can stick better. And now I'm going to apply the color. The first layer has to be thin, also trying to avoid the cuticle area. Now I'm going to dry about 1 minute again. So the first layer is already dried. Now I'm going to apply a second one. So the second layer can be a little bit thicker, so it can cover better. Also, you can put a little bit on your tip, so it's not gonna chip quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna dry it again 1 minute. So as we finished with drying the second layer of the color, now I'm going to apply top coat. So depending on the brand, some top coat doesn't leave a sticky layer and some of them does, so don't worry if it's when you take it out from the lamp, and if it's still sticky, you just clean it with alcohol or some cleanser remover without acetone. Okay, always clean everything around. Now it's ready to go another 1 minute. Okay, so my top coat is a little bit sticky, so I'm just gonna remove the sticky layer with the alcohol, so it's clean. And now, as we finished, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil just to nourish the skin around. And that was it. So we finished with our gel polish at home. I already did the rest of them, and how to remove you can see in my another video that I'm gonna leave it below in the description. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you want more videos, you can just simply put some question, comment, and I'm gonna more than welcome to do that. Thank you so much. Bye.